Hello guys, welcome back to Computer Tricks for You. Today we are going to cover about Lightsail. So first let's know what is Lightsail. So Lightsail is an easy use cloud platform that offer you everything you need to build an applications or your website. So it is cost effective also, and it is having monthly plan. So it start with the $3.50 per month. So let's start for the Lightsail. So you have to log in into your AWS account. Click on the services. Here you can see that Lightsail is there. Click on that. It will open in a new tab. So Lightsail page is opened. Click on the create instance. So here you can see that instance location is asking. So I select my by default region. So here you can see that the pick your instance image type. You can use Linux also, you can use Microsoft Windows also. Which flavor you need, you can select it here. And let's suppose I'm selecting the Linux. And there is a predefined template in AWS. You can select it, that is like WordPress, LAMP, Node.js, Joomla, etc. If you required only you required only the OS part, you can choose from here also. So I'm going for the WordPress right now. So I'm selecting the WordPress. This is for the script, as EC2 also have a user data, the same thing it is here also. So let's create a SSH key to log in into the server. Click on that and click on the create new. Click create. And click on generate button. So see that information it is saying already, you can only download this private key at once. So keep it safe, otherwise you can't able to log in into your server. So we downloaded the Lightsail file. Now here you can see that the plan is there. You can select the plan according to your requirement. If you need good processor, you can select from the processing side. If you require more memory, you can select it from here. So for showing purpose, I am selecting the 3.5 USD. This is the 1 month free trial, so I'm selecting this one. So for the identify your instance name, you can change it. Say WP WordPress. So click on the create instance. So it will take a few minutes and you can able to log in into that. Now you can see that it is running. When you click on the Lightsail WP, clicking on connect using SSH, it will open a terminal. So guys, you can see that we are able to log in into the server. So for the WordPress login, you need to copy the IP and open in new tab. So for the dashboard, type WP admin. So I will show you how you will get the username and password here. For user, you need to click in below. Here you can see that. Let me show you. Click on manage. It will show the by default username is user. We can use user. And for the password, what you have to do is you have to, let me open the terminal again of Lightsail. Here you have to write cat bitnami underscore application underscore password. So you can see that this is the password. After login you can change it, that password. So copy it. So guys, we are able to successfully log into the server. Now you can customize your website according to your requirement. So that's all for the WordPress side. So you can easily deploy your server on Lightsail, and you can use your uh, WordPress web application very easily. So if you like this video guys, you can like, share and subscribe. Thanks for giving your valuable time to see the video. Bye bye.